Hello guys, it's me again ang inyong Jetlin Balasubas at kung bago ka lang sa akin channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell button para sa marami pang video. At pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang nangyaring botohan sa Senado noong isang araw. Tara at panoorin natin itong mga kaganapan.
Thank you. Mr. President, the Supreme Court decision is now pending appeal. It is prudent to wait for the results rather than prematurely archiving. If not,
Oo nga naman. Ano ba i-archive nyo? Wala naman na sa inyo yung impeachment article. Mag-archive kayo ng impeachment article, hindi pa nga kayo nakapag-convene as a Senate Court, Impeachment Court. Parang ano lang din. Parang wala lang din yan.
not dismissing, because I know for a fact, once it is archived, it is dead. So what happens if the Supreme Court reverses itself? Clear and blatant errors are present in the ruling of the Supreme Court. First,
Oo nga naman. Paano nga kung nagkamali yung Supreme Court? Anong mangyayari sa inyo dyan? Panibagong kahihiyan na naman. Diba? Panibagong kahihiyan yan. Inunahan nyo. Kala ba namin respeto sa Supreme Court? Samantalang inunahan nyo. Meron pang motion for reconsideration na hinahin yung Kamara.
they misunderstood the legislative process in assuming that the 19th Congress adjourned sine die in February 5. Grave error. Thus effectively dismissing the first three complaints, paving the way for them to say,
Kaya nga, kasi yung tatlo na impeachment case, hindi yung nag-proceed. Ang pang-apat pa talaga yung nag-proceed. Yun yung pasok sa 1-year bar rule. Sa pagkakalam ko lang guys, once na nag-proceed na ang isang impeachment case, doon naman mag-uumpisa yung 1-year bar rule. Anong ginawa ng mga siraulong senador na to? Nilabag nila ang konstitusyon. Sabi, forthwith. Ang ginawa, tinahinga. Napakatagal nun, nagbakasyon pa sila. Recess time. 4 na buwan. Tapos ngayon, mag-aano sila, mamadaliin nila ngayon. Kahit na may motion for reconsideration na hinahin yung House. Dapat hintayin muna nila yung decision ng Supreme Court.
na ano pala, yung 1-year ban binayolate. The archiving of the three complaints were done after the initiation of the fourth complaint. The 1-year ban did not set in. Second, the decision practically amended the clear mandate by the Constitution by placing a hierarchy on the modes to initiate an impeachment complaint. Parang wala na yung third option. Third, the Supreme Court retroactively applied the new definition to the present case in the violation of the doctrine of operative facts. thus voiding as well the impeachment proceedings of former President Estrada and Chief Justice Corona. They did not interpret the Constitution, Mr. President. They amended the Constitution. So lastly, the Supreme Court now has the chance.
Namend nila yung Constitution. Samantalang si Bato, foul na yung ginawa. Biruin niya, Senate judge ka, nag-motion ka ng dismiss na sa impeachment. Naku, Bato.
Chance to rectify these errors in its decision. So I was hoping to table the motion so that we can let us afford them this opportunity for the benefit of future impeachment processes and to uphold the clear mandate of the 1987 Constitution. All we needed to do was wait a little. And so,
yes, tama. May motion for reconsideration eh. Respeto sa Supreme Court. Supreme Court decision. Hindi pa final yan. Kasi may motion for reconsideration na pinasa. E paano pag nabaliktad? Napabor pa sa sa mga taga-house, mga congressman. Pahiyaan na naman kayo. Baba na naman ratings nyo.
So I will have to register a yes vote. I know it will be a vote in the minority.
Tsaka isa pa guys, ano ang i-archive nila? Yung decision, sinundan nila yung decision ng Supreme Court. Tapos mag-archive sila. Eh, ang decision ng Supreme Court, null and invalid. Null and void. Ibig sabihin nun, invalid. Yung bakit yung papagbobotohan yung ano? Archive na yan. Kung invalid naman pala. Di ba? Biruin nyo. Parang decision yan. Ngayon kayo magmamadali kung walang forthwith na nakalagay. Tapos nung may forthwith na dapat sundin, pagkaintindihan nyo, 4th month, 4 na buwan, tinahinga nyo.
Minority, but I have always voted in the minority in many issues in the Senate since 1992 up to the present. Always prayed I was wrong. Unfortunately, I was always right. My God, have mercy on your decision. I vote yes.
Magaling. Salute kayo dito sa inyo. Magaling. Di tulad ng mga ibang senador, mang-mang. Hihintayin namin yung ipapasa niyo yung batas na Legalize Corruption Act. Hintayin namin yun. Dapat nga sa inyo, i-abolish na eh. Saan mo kayo silbi? Accountability ang hinahanap ng mga tao.
Noted. Secretary will please continue.
Senator Tulfo Erwin, Senator Tulfo Rafi, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Camil, Senator Villar Mart, Senator Zubiri, Senate President Escudero.
No.
Pwedeng mag-explain ng boto.
Before the explanations of vote, Chair would first like to make of record the result. With 5 affirmative votes, 19 negative votes, the motion to table the motion of Senator Marcoleta is lost. Lost. Soto. Sorry, Senator Soto is lost. No, he said the motion to table the motion of Senator Marcoleta is lost.
Ito pa isa guys. Panoorin natin ito.
Or deal with it. Kasi wala po sa rules natin. Paano wala tayo pong guidelines? Kasi wala po sa rules natin yung motion to dismiss. So anong guidelines ang susundin natin in addressing the motion to dismiss submitted by the Honorable Marcoleta? Assuming arguendo, Mr. President, that the motion is voted upon and adopted by this body, what if, Mr. President, the Supreme Court reverses itself when it rules on the MR?
Diba? Paano kung ganun nga yung nangyari? Paano kung ganun yung nangyari? Di, kahihiyan. Grabe kahihiyan nyo. Pinapangunahan nyo kasi yung Supreme Court. Huwag kayong sunod ng sunod. Separate power kayo, mga bugok.
Filed by the House of Representatives through the Solgen. Shall we also backtrack and reverse ourselves in dismissing the impeachment case? I pose that question, Mr. President. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Lacson. To respond, we were faced with this question, but the very people asking us to wait right now were the very same people who were telling us before to ignore the pendency of a case in the Supreme Court precisely regarding this impeachment complaint. They were egging the Senate, even if we were on recess, to precisely proceed with the trial in spite and despite the pendency of cases in the Supreme Court. And the chair, with an abundance of caution, same with us good senator right now, decided to afford the Supreme Court time during the recess to decide on the matter. And when they did not, the Senate, in accordance with its duty, convened the impeachment court when we resumed session. Given that
Oh, ngayon nga, di kayo nakapag-convene, nagde-decision kayo. Pala decision yan, convene muna kayo. As Senate, Impeachment Court, bago kayo mag-desisyon. Parang normal days lang yan sa inyo.
we cannot conduct impeachment proceedings that have not yet begun during the recess. To answer the query with respect to motion to dismiss, this was actually done, although not via a motion to dismiss, but a motion to archive in relation to the impeachment complaints of then President Estrada and Ombudsman Gutierrez. In fact, in the case of Ombudsman Gutierrez, it was our distinguished minority floor leader himself, acting as majority leader, I believe, who moved that the case be archived, given the resignation.
Ano nga i-archive nyo? Void yung impeachment ni Sara. Invalid yun. Sabi ng Supreme Court. So, pagka nag-iba yung ihip ng hangin, mag-iiba din kaya kayo. Huwag sunod-sunuran lagi. May sarili kayong desisyon dapat. Kasi ang Supreme Court, final arbiter yan. Sila yung pinakahuling magdidesisyon. So guys, hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat. Sana supportahan ng aking channel. Subscribe na lang po ako at palike na rin. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyo.